morning, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm in a bit of a weird mood today. I was aiming to start weekly vlogging on a Monday because, you know, the week starts on a Monday. Yesterday I worked because I was covering for someone else, and I planned to get up really early, like sit out on the nice outdoor swing, just meditate a little bit and like start my day off right. But I snoozed my alarm. Actually, I didn't snooze it, I turned it off. I turned it completely off and I just got up and went straight to work. So yeah, I pretty much just worked the whole day yesterday. I was pretty exhausted when I got home, and now it's Tuesday, so welcome back to the weekly vlog. Today I'm gonna go out and film a few things for my Instagram reels. I'll bring you along with me, but it's a pretty gloomy day today. I'm actually really excited about it because it has been like 35 plus degrees for the last week, and it's been my first week at this new job, and I can't even explain how much the heat here affects me. I can't wait for summer to be over. Anyway, let's start the day. Oh my god. So I went into Kmart just looking for a cute book, and I found a book that has been on my reading list for such a long time. Since I finished my favorite book of all time, Archer's Voice, I have been looking for the sequel. And I just found it! I'm so incredibly happy. I love Archer's Voice with my entire heart, and this is the sequel. I'm so excited. I much preferred Archer to Travis in Archer's Voice, obviously, because he was the main character. And Travis was a bit of a, oh, don't know about him. But I'm so excited to read about him because I get to go back into the town and just relive it a little bit, and I'm just so excited. Can't believe I found this. Also, not Prison Mike stealing the show. From Kmart, I also just got a clipboard and a little pen holder thing because I'm gonna redo my office a little bit, and these are just little baby steps, so I don't have to spend hundreds of dollars all at once. Just every time I'm in, just grab some little things and they'll all add up and it'll start looking cute. But I got the clipboard because we're really gonna organize our budget this year, and we're gonna print off, I think I'm gonna print off every single month today and just put them all in the clipboard, so we've just got everything there ready to go. And yeah, we're finally gonna get on top of our money. I watch Ella, Smiley Citrus, on YouTube, and she just has the best like budget spreadsheet, and she just talks about money so openly, which I love. Like, I feel like money is still such a taboo topic and no one wants to talk about how much they earn. I don't know, it's just a bit like no one talks about it. Maybe I'll start talking about it, but maybe not. I don't know. I feel really nervous talking about money, but Ella just makes it feel so like normal to talk about it. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna sort out our budget this year, and yeah, so that's why I got the little clipboard. Oh my god, I just realized there's someone in the car right across from me. That's so embarrassing. She's watching me. Let's fast forward to 300, take out coffees later. Dream of my mouth before it called you princess. She wasn't even looking. And is it over now? Ah, your new girl is my clone. Literally on the way up to beach to get some content, and someone literally just screamed out like woohoo, like whistled, and then said legs 11. How disgusting. That guy literally just ruined my entire mood for the day. Like, why do you need to whistle at someone and say like legs 11? It's just so unnecessary. Why would you call out to a random stranger? Hello? Cheers. So I'm thinking of watching a movie with lunch, and I've had this one movie, like when we got Disney Plus, I really wanted to see this movie, and I think it's a movie or it might be a series, but we finally got Disney Plus, and I'm gonna try and find it. It's called Little Tiny Thing or Tiny Beautiful Things or something like that. It had one of the mums from Bad Mums in it, and I just love her as an actress, and she's so funny. Oh, okay, so it's a series, it's not a movie. It's actually probably good for lunch. I probably shouldn't sit here for 2.5 hours. I'll give you my honest thoughts. I'm gonna eat my beautiful lunch I just made. So we've got roast potato, roast sweet potato with hummus and cheese, and we have a mango smoothie. Okay, so this is making me cry. I didn't realize it was sad. So episode 1 left me in actual tears. I don't know if I can do more of that. I don't know what I thought it was gonna be. I didn't think it was gonna be sad. My face is now completely wet. Oh, why did I get myself into that? I need to find a happy show now. I have just had the absolute hardest day at work. I woke up feeling so incredibly sick. It was too late to call in sick, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna go in and do it. And I just felt like I worked for 3 days straight and I'm fried. I feel so just sick. I don't feel good. But I came back to a package in the mail that I'd completely forgotten we did this. So a while ago, I think it was Russell Brand. He had this thing where like the first however many people to like put their details in get some free stickers. And we're like, yeah, we'll get some free stickers, why not? And I'm just opening them for the first time and there are so many stickers in here. I actually tried Sticker Mule for my sticker business, but I didn't realize it came from America and I wanted my business to be all Australian owned. Oh my god, there's so many stickers. This is so weird. I thought they were gonna be like Russell Brand branded stickers. There's like a cute little crow. I think that's the Sticker Mule logo. Oh, that crow is Russell Brand's brand. How fun is that? It's got the regular Sticker Mule sticker. Stay Free must be like his brand. They've got his little face on one. That's so funny. And then the last one is him looking all serious. How funny is that? We got 1, 2, 6 stickers. How good's that? And Rowan also put his details in, and we also put Cosmo's details in. So nice to come home to after such a hard day. I'm absolutely loving my new job. Everyone is so lovely and friendly, and the location is great. The customers are so lovely, and yeah, just loving it. Oh, I've just realized, don't look at my washing. But yeah, I'm just so happy in my job, but today was hard. Today was really hard. Actually, on the back of this, it says, also grab 10 of your own custom stickers for only $1 and free shipping at Sticker Mule. Maybe I'll do that, and I'll put, for the first 10 orders when I launch my shop, I'll put these stickers. Could be fun, don't know.
Stay free.
Gorgeous. So we have Russell Brand, we have Dwight, and we have Hasbulla. I feel like I was just in this spot yesterday, but my absolute favorite thing to do after work is to come home, just put a load of washing on and have a pure cold shower, because my body heat gets so high at work and I feel like I've just never been as hot as I am when I'm working at this job, which I still can't even believe like how high my body temperature gets at this place. And Anyway, yeah, I just hop in for a pure cold shower, and as soon as I get out, I'm hot again, but just that moment of relief just to have like coldness. I don't know how people live here. It's not even the middle of summer yet. Oh, yeah, I know. I know. So yeah, I'm just doing everything I possibly can in my power to try and cool down. I can't believe it. It's so crazy here. I know I've literally just been talking about the weather pretty much all my vlogs since I've been here. Yes, I'll get to you in a minute. New Christmas toys. We'll play in a second. I basically just came on to say it's hot today. Just finished editing this vlog and I realized that it's a little bit all over the place, and I just want to explain a little bit because I've started this new job. I have taken on a couple of shifts that I wasn't scheduled to be on, and my week has just been all over the place. Like, I'm learning so many new things. Also, if you see this little band-aid on my finger, it's because I cut myself. Anyway, Cosmo's just down here, so if you hear panting, that's him. We've just been running around outside. But yeah, I've basically just been in the process of being a new person, learning everything there is to learn about the new space. And yeah, it's such a big thing to start a new job. I feel like I've started so many new jobs in the past year that it's such a mental thing. Like, the job's easy. Like, I know how to do the job. Hi, hello. But yeah, I'm just trying to sort out my days on, oh no, we don't want to go up there. Yeah, I'm still trying to get the hang of like work-life balance again, because I'm working a little bit extra at this new job just to sort of start up and like really get to know everything. Yeah, so I didn't have as many days this week to film, which I feel like comes across in the vlog, but I also feel like it's kind of like it's real. I don't know, I'm still trying to figure it all out. I think once it gets past like the middle of the year, which I know sounds so far away, but then I'll actually have like a proper routine. Like, I'm not going away on any trips, we're not making any big life decisions. Like, the middle of the year I feel will be smooth sailing from there, but we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, sorry this week's vlog was a little bit chaotic. It's been quite a chaotic week, and yeah, my life has definitely shown accurately in this vlog. And I've also found that posting every single day on Instagram has proven to be so much harder than I thought it was going to be. Like, I just thought, oh yeah, one post a day, like, it'll take 5 minutes. But to think of the ideas, to film the ideas, to edit them, to put the right music to it, and oh my god, why do you want to go on my desk? Okay, up you go. And yeah, just to like put the right music to it and like schedule it and upload it, it takes a lot of energy. Like, I know it sounds like nothing. It sounds like nothing, but I'm up to day 15. Like, it's currently the 15th of January and I have like 350 whatever to go. I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this, and I've already started and it's going to look so silly if I don't finish it. Anyway, they're just my thoughts and feelings. I'm just here to end off the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog, and we will see you in our next video. I can't speak today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. You want to come down? What do you want? Do you want to come down? Bye. Thanks for watching.